guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, but I'm finally back and I'm going to be posting more and I'm going to be more consistent, so just bear with me. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a get ready with me kind of look, so just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair back because I just did it and I don't want to get makeup. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with using my Aloe Vera that I always use for my skin. I haven't been using primer lately. Lazy. I don't really have time. Especially with me being a new mom now. I really don't have a lot of time to do things. So, yeah. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced lip injection lip gloss. This makes your lips plump. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. First I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids with 24-hour base. I just use my finger. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my Sultry palette by Anastasia and the Master palette by Mario. Alright, so I have these new brushes that I wanted to try. I got them off Amazon. Not quite sure what the blending is like, so let's see. If not, I'll be taking it off using my MAC brushes. But I'm going to try new things. So let's see. So this is the color Isabel, and I'm going to my crease with it. So much has happened since the last time. I know you guys watched my last video I posted when my fiance does my makeup. I'm planning my wedding. I just had a baby. So a lot has changed since the last time I have sat in front of this camera. I have more free time now. I can sit. You know, my baby, she's getting a little older, so I can sit and, you know, do a little bit of things for myself, you know. So here I'm just taking my 217 blending brush from MAC, just to take any harsh lines out. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use my Shape Tape by Tarte in the color Light Medium. I am going for the, you know, like a sultry eye for today. So I'm going to use my Sultry palette by Anastasia, and I will be going in today with the kind of color Steampunk, and I am going to mix it with Cinder. These two. Okay, actually I'm going to use my finger because it goes on better. I'm going to be using Steampunk and alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that Isabel color from the Mario palette. Not sure if my camera cut off because I wasn't paying attention. So I used Violetta from the Mario Master palette in my corners. And then I went back in with that brush that I was using as well. Right, and now I will be going in with a darker color, Dystopian in the Sultry palette. Bring it out. So lately I've been loving my Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation in the color 240. Right here. my studio fix, I normally wear studio fix, it has been like drying me. Like I get like dry when I put it on. Like I don't know, my skin has changed with my pregnancy, so it's a little drier. So I find that the dewy kind of foundation is working better for me. Like it applies better and everything. So I just been loving it. So I'm gonna try it with my damp beauty blender. So I like to put the Shape Tape right under my brow bone and give it a little bit of highlight. So now I'm going to take it under my eyes to highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Maybelline in the color Cafe to contour my face. So we're done. So now we're going to set our face. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder. Love. Alright, so now I'm going to take my brush and I am going to put it in with my bronzing powder by MAC. And under my eye, and I'm going to use that Isabel color and smooth it out. This would be so quick. Yeah, and then I'm going to put the other one on. So those are on. I love these lashes, they're so pretty, and I'm so annoyed because I don't have the box anymore, so I don't know the name of them. It's just so annoying. Be able to tell y'all, but it's great. Alright, so what I do when I normally put my lashes on is I see, you know, what it looks like with the lashes on, the amount of smokiness. So if I think it needs to be a little darker, I'll sometimes go in a little more in the corner. And I'm using that dystopian color from the Anastasia Sultry palette. See, that's good. Alright, so I've applied my mascara, and now I am going to do my highlight and we can do our glitter. First, let's do the lip though. Let's do lip first. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my favorite cork, and I am going to line my lips. I'm going to be going in with Peach Stock from MAC. Then I'm going to top it off with Miss Pretty. Okay, so then next I am going to highlight, and I'm going to use the Becca Opal Shimmering Skin. It's like a liquid highlighter, and I'm going to dab it with my finger. I'm going to be going with in with Oh Darling by MAC, all-time fave. And then I'm going to top it off with the Amaranthi highlighter by Anastasia. Alright, so now I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus. Alright, so that completes our look for today. Thank you guys for watching me. And I know it's been so long, but I'm finally back. We're going to be more consistent. Comment below what you want to see next. I'm thinking about adding cooking to my channel. Getting to know my family, my life. I just moved, so I have so much to share with you guys. And just comment below what you'd like to see. Until then, see you guys next time.